I had a great question from a subscriber the other day asking what happens if you have two pieces of equipment like these two domestic pumps that run non-simultaneously. We have them both fed separately. They're both set up as pumps in our load summary. How can we get one to be zero without actually having to change its load to zero? We have this set up on the pumps category. What we can do is create a non-coincident load classification with a non-coincident demand factor that we can assign to one of our pumps that effectively reduces the load down to zero just by changing the load classification. So let's create a load classification for non-coincident loads, and then an associated demand factor, they are often the same, and leave its calculation method as constant. So how about 0.01 is the smallest we can do. So we will leave domestic pump B as a non-coincident load. We did not have to set its load to zero. And when we look at the bottom of our main distribution board load classifications, we have pumps at 12.5, 125%, and the non-coincident load is at 1 VA, essentially zero, so it's negligible. That is how we can deal with non-coincident loads.